Hi all, once again welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make tamarind pickle. Yes, you heard it correctly. It is something different in the pickles. So like usually we will make with mango, lemon and all. So this is with the tamarind. So basically this pickle is famous in Kerala. So before getting to the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel, those who are watching it the first time in our channel, and press the bell button for future notifications. As you can see here, this is the type of the tamarind we are going to use in this pickle. Usually this tamarind origin is from Andhra Pradesh. So initially we have to just needs to clear off all this top wastage. Then you will get the tamarind like this, and inside you can find the seeds also. You have to remove all the seeds. So here I'll show you all the ingredients what we require. So one bowl of tamarind, cleaned tamarind. For that, one bowl of jaggery we require. Then we would require 1 to 2 tablespoons of chili powder, little turmeric powder, and 1 tablespoon of salt. So initially we have to I'm just shifting this tamarind to a bowl, and I'm adding hot water to it so that all that the smoothie part of this tamarind will squeezed out from it. For 10 to 15 minutes we have to soak it. Then in another kadai over the stove, I just added all the jaggery and making a syrup out of it. I have just added half glass of water only to this. See, I have made a thick jaggery syrup. So once it is ready, I am just shifting this, and I kept one thick widened pan, non-stick pan, to selectively. So in this, I am going to add our tamarind, whichever we soaked in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can make out all this or softly like it's become like a thick kind of gravy. So to this, now we will be going to cook this for about 10 to 15 minutes nicely. To this, we will be adding about half, 1/4 glass to half glass of water only. Even that water also will get evaporated when it is getting cooked. So after 10 minutes, I am just adding turmeric powder and salt and chili powder. As it is a pickle and it has to long last about more than a week or 10 days. So definitely we have to add little more salt to it. So however you can taste salt and chili powder in between, and you can go ahead adding as per your taste actually. So once it's all become a semi thick gravy, then I am adding our jaggery syrup here. I'm just filtering it so that all the dust particle I can avoid whichever in this syrup. So once you add it, it will become again a liquid kind of a ingredient. Then again we have to cook it another 15-20 minutes finely, so that all while cooking itself it will all become very thick, and it will become a pickle texture slowly. See, now you can see it's about around 20 to 25 minutes it took to me to get this texture. So once this texture is ready, it's almost like our pickle texture. So you can see, you can taste it. It will be like a mix of sour, sweet, and a kind of a different taste. So that's it, and you can shift it to a glass bowl and can be used about 2 weeks to a month's time. So hope you all like this video. Please give a trial and don't forget to mention your comments and subscribe the channel and press the bell button for future notifications. Thank you so much for watching.